Sir, monsoon season lagi ball, eka assembly session achu. So how you see this and how you comment?
So, election, alien election zali. Ata potte the people have shown their mandate, given their mandate. The BJP has won one seat, and the Congress supported India Alliance has won one seat. And it is the aspirations of the people that there are certain issues in the interest of the state. आम्ही टायम एंड ओवर अगेन ह्याच पवित्र विधानसभेन हे मांडटा, पूण ते सुटावे जावपाक आमी झगडटा. एज ऑपोजिशन MLAs वी रेज सेवरल क्वेश्चन्स, पूण आज हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता हो सरकार फेल जालोलो. आनी स्पेशली इन द फील्ड ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटा जरी तर तुवें आज चोयल्यार द फिगर्स आर एब्सोल्युटली शॉकिंग एंड इट इज गोईंग फ्रॉम बॅड टू वर्स. द ट्रेंड बेसिकली जे लोकांक आख्खे देशभर दाखोवन दिलें की वी कॅनॉट बी डिवायडेड ऑन रिलीजन, कास्ट, हें सगळें पॉलिटिक्स हें पयलींचें. आज लोकांक म्हाका दिसता दाखोवन दिलेलें आहा, खास करून गोंयच्या लोकांक, की आज ज्यो बारीक बारीक स्किम्यो आहाय त्यो स्किम्यो बारीक लोकांक पावना. आज this government doesn't have any plan with regards to the financial health of the state. The way these FRBM violation je zalole, any time and over again we are highlighting this. Mining kenna restart जातले, 1 वर्स जालें, 2 वर्स जालें, 6 म्हयने जालें, हें बंद जायता. आनी corruption is one of the main issues that we will definitely raise in this assembly session. आनी म्हाका खात्री आहा, कित्याक आज BJP जे म्हाका दिसता एरगन्सा लागून, बिकॉज ऑफ दी एरगन्स, बिकॉज ऑफ दीस दादागिरी आनी ही जी हुकुमशाय भाशेन द वे दीस रूल द स्टेट, एका लोकांनी खास करून दाखोवन दिलेलें आहा. आनी आमचें जें लक्ष्य आहा की सगळ्यांक ऑपोजिशनाच्या आमी एकठांय जावन आमी गोंयच पासत हे प्रश्न मांडपाक जाय. It is a monsoon session. It is expected to be of at least 31 working days. आणि जेन्ना 31 working days आमी हे बारीक सगळे प्रश्न आमी केले ते पुसा आमी जायते जावं क्वेश्चन आवराच्या वेळार आमचे इनजस्टीस जातालो, जायते अमेंडमेंट आमी हाडले. एक प्रथा आहली की ऑपोजिशनाचे एक क्वेश्चन आनी रुलिंगाचे एक क्वेश्चन येतले म्हणून ते चेंज केले. जे डेटा आमकां आशिल्लो, दे ओन्ली 5 years आमकां ते डेटा दिले. दे आर नॉट गिवींग अस ते इवन अंडर नॉर्मल RTI एप्लिकेशन यू कॅन गेट फॉर सेवरल more years. So the Congress party along with the India Alliance partners and all the opposition, I think we will have a joint strategy. Definitely we will all meet shortly and we will all work together. Through your medium I would like to tell the people of Goa and assure the people of Goa की लोकांक सगळ्यांक जाय आमी एकठांय जालोले. आमचे मदें जायते आमदारां मदें जरी डिफरन्सीस आहाय ते डिफरन्सीस सोडून गोंयच्या बऱ्या पासत आनी गोंयच्या जे आमचो एक बरो फ्युचर जावपाक जाय. आनी हे प्रश्न जेन्ना आमी मांडटा, आज सगळे आमदार स्टडी करून हिंगा येता, पूण थोडे मंत्री म्हाका दिसता जापो सारको दियेना, डायवर्ट करता. सो डेफिनेटली नाव वी सीम टू बी seasoned a little. This is we are almost in our 3rd year now, and it is my duty as leader of opposition. All these issues with regards to unemployment, with regards to Madai, with regards to illegal gambling, with regards to unemployment, हे सगळे प्रश्न आमी ताबडतोब आमी जे आमकां आन्सरां मेळटली तेन्ना we will have a joint discussion and you will see a united opposition.
आता काल एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स झाली BJPची, त्यांना त्यांनी धर्मगुरू ब्लेम केला. सो तुम्ही कसे पळयता?
See, it is absolutely shocking to see these statements coming from the BJP spokesperson, because religious leaders being projected for the reason for their defeat. What does this show? They didn't blame these religious leaders during the campaign. And then tenga hui na hui, they have to shift the blame game. They have to answer to their bosses. First of all, the candidate was not from the cadre. Cadre duklolo ha. And the same sentiments, if you look what happened in Ayodhya, what happened in Ayodhya, why were they given a befitting reply? If you look at the Prime Minister's lead, मुखेलमंत्री हा ओपन सांगतालो 5 लाख लिडान जिखतलो तो 1.5 लाख लिडान जिखतलो and our candidate was, the Prime Minister was also trailing. Prime Minister was trailing. Our Rahul Gandhi got almost 3.5 lakh votes. So this trend of trying to divide us based on communal and religious grounds is the politics of the BJP. This is the strategy of the RSS. It has failed miserably, and I believe they have scored a self-goal. This is a self-goal. They cannot digest the fact. Let us move on. You have to now, the people have given you a yellow card. And 27 a red card ditले. And they put yellow card dila. Gemi deola ite yellow card dila. Red card ate raute. And eso jori to ye blunder kotle. Zalar maga dista game raf zatli. And ye game raf kon amka divide korpak. हे सोदताय आणि लोक म्हाका दिसता सगळे गोंयकार जावं आमचे हिंदू भाव क्रिस्तांव भाव आनी मुस्लीम भाव ऑल थ्रू आउट द इयर्स ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड वी आर नोन फॉर आवर कम्युनल हार्मनी आनी ही कम्युनल हार्मनी आमगेली पाड घालपाक हे नॉन स्टेट एक्टरा बराबर आनी ते नॉन स्टेट एक्टर हांको आतां एक्टीव जातले आमचे मदें भेदभाव करपाक दिस इज अ स्लॅप टू द फेस ऑफ द BJP and their communal politics.
Shankar Bamondkar is saying that this is their slogan. Their slogan is 30 plus. आम्ही जिंकता 27 and so तुम्ही त्यांच्या हे अडॉप्ट केला म्हणून स्लोगन तो.
अरे बाबा काय अडॉप्ट करपाक कांय ना. संकल्प बामोणकर should explain that the BJP जी मोतां तांकां 2019 पडली ती कितको देंवल कामू. This basically defectors all will be given a VRS by the people of our state. In the past it has happened. ते सगळे भियेले आनी ते ब्लेम गेम घालपाक सोदता. कोण आतां एक कितें आसता, you have to accept the defeat with humility. Accept that you have done mistakes, accept that and say that you will try to do better for the people of Goa. Rather than putting it on a particular religious leader, I condemn this. This is not in the interest of our state, and I believe immediately the Chief Minister should issue a statement. Stop spreading communal disharmony करपाक आनी एक पाटी जरी तुम्ही प्रयत्न केलो जाल्यार the people of the state will not take this, will take it very badly. So you have to issue a clarification.
But how you get the ZP from Banana?
No, see, ZP poll, it is very, very straight. The India Alliance has announced its support to the Aam Aadmi Party candidate. We have an MLA of the Aam Aadmi candidate. And definitely, it is like a give and take type of a thing. Everyone, there has to be sacrifices. Sacrifices na zalyar he mukhar cholpana. He je ami India Alliance banner under yele. Everyone needs to understand. The Congress Party, AAP, sagle virodhi paksha je hai. We have to understand that if we divide ourselves, then the BJP gets advantage. It's a very simple formula, and we are quite confident that we will work together, and this India Alliance will continue, and we will win in 27.
सर ॲक्सिडंट जावंक जायना म्हणून 100 कोटी घेतलेले सेंट्रला कडसून जुवारीचे इनॉग्रेशनाच्या टायमार आनी तुमी पळयता की रोडाचेर उदीक साट्टा आनी गाडयो ब्रेक मारता आनी ॲक्सिडंट जाता आनी सरकार एके भशेन म्हणटा भिवपाची गरज ना.
कितें हें सगळें सब स्टँडर्ड जें काम आहा हें जो सब स्टँडर्डाक टेंडर कोणा मेळा हो सरकाराचो नातू. ये टेंडर घेवपी there has to be an inquiry. We will definitely raise this issue. There were black spots all over the states with the raising accident. म्हाका दिसता गेल्या त्या दिसा आमचे नितीन गडकरीन सांगलेलें की 100 crores were given to identify these black spots. Transport department passes the buck on the PWD department that it is their thing. Now let us see what they have done. So basically the engineering problem, roads have not been designed properly. ये ब्लैक स्पॉट आइडेंटिफाई करून आता मुखेलमंत्री को ते खात्या. लेट अस होप बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम द PW मिनिस्टर वॉज पासिंग द बाक ऑन मोविन गुदिनो आतां कितें चुया कितें जाता कित्याक प्रत्येक दिसाक हे एक्सिडंट जायत आहा आनी वाडवत आहा. एवरी डे एन इनोसंट गोवन लुजीस हिज लायफ. सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी सिरियस इशू. आई होप दे लुक एट इट.
No, BJP has said that they are supporting independent candidates on ZP.
Whoever takes the support of the BJP is gone home. That is 100%. Let them name who's the candidate and let the candidate openly say that they want that कोणाला support नाका. सांग दी मरे candidate आको. एकले candidate सांग दी की आमका BJP गेलो support हा. No one wants their support.
ओके सर.
Thank you.